In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and Linear to create the most accurate sprint plans your team has ever seen. Starting a new cycle can be stressful, but by following this simple workflow, you will remove the guesswork from your capacity planning. First, you need to open your Linear team settings. Navigate to the Cycles section and look at your average velocity from the last 3 sprints. This number represents the average amount of work your team actually finishes, not just what you plan. Next, make sure you take note of any upcoming team time off, such as holidays or vacations, because these will directly impact your output. Once you have those numbers, it is time to use Claude to do the heavy lifting. You can use a specific prompt to get the best results. Tell Claude that your engineering team has a historical velocity of a certain number of story points per sprint. Specify how many engineers you have and mention if someone is on vacation for a few days. Ask Claude to calculate your adjusted point capacity for your 2-week sprint and recommend how many points you should realistically pull into your next cycle. By letting the AI handle the math based on your real performance data, you avoid overcommitting and keep your team's morale high. You can then take that recommendation and drag those high priority issues into your active cycle in Linear with total confidence. This process ensures that every sprint is predictable and manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you master your next planning session.